Hello, today I have another interesting question. The question is 4x plus 1 over 4x minus 1 plus 4x minus 1 over 4x plus 1 equal to 2 into 1 over 6. So this is very interesting question, and most of NT tests have these kind of questions. So let's solve this. So first of all, I am going to let a term, because when you read the question, you like that 4x plus 1 over 4x minus 1, 4x minus 1 over 4x plus 1. These two terms have the very similarity, so I can let them. Let y is equal to 4x plus 1 over 4x minus 1. So as I took the let, so I can write this term 1 over y, and also 4x minus 1 over 4x plus 1. So I am writing y like that, y plus 1 over y, and this is a mixed number, so I can converting into a fraction. 6 multiplied 2 12 plus 13 over 6. So I am multiplying both side by y. Multiply by y on both sides. So the equation will be like that y square plus 1 over y multiply y equal to 13 over 6 multiply y. So these y cancel each other, and this term can be written as this term can be written as y square plus 1 equal to 13 y over 6. I can multiply this 6 into this side like that. 6y square plus 6 equal to 13y. I can shift this 13y into other side like that. 6y square minus 13y plus 6 equal to 0. Now I am taking the factors of this equation. So for factor I am going to multiply this 6 multiply 6. I got 36. Now I need a number or a factor on which multiply I got 36, and plus by doing plus minus I got 13. So the correct factor will be minus 9 minus 4 equal to minus 13, and when I multiply these two numbers I got plus 36. So the right factor is minus 9 minus 4. So I am writing it into here. 6y square minus 9y minus 4y plus 6 equal to 0. So I am taking common from these two terms and these two terms. In this term I can common 3y, and the remaining amount will be 3y, 3 2 is 6, and 3y, 3 2 is 6. Sorry, here 2y minus 3, and in this term I can common minus 2, and remaining will be 2y minus 3 equal to 0. Now the factor will be like that, 2y minus 3 and 3y minus 2 equal to 0. Now I can assume these two terms like that, 2y minus 3 equal to 0. I separate this term, 3y minus 2 equal to 0. I put these two terms equal to 0, and now I am writing the value of y like that. Y is equal to 3 over 2, and in this side y equal to 2 over 3. Now I am writing the value of y that I took common in this here. Here the value of y is 4x plus 1 over 4x minus 1. I am writing this value in into here. So the value of y is 4x plus 1 over 4x minus 1 equal to 3 over 2, and on the same side 4x plus 1 over 4x minus 1 equal to 2 over 3. So I can write the next part here. So I am doing multiplying these, cross multiplying these two terms, and here will be like that: 8x plus 2 and 12x minus 3. So when I solve this term, 8x plus 2 minus 12x plus 3 equal to 0. I can solve 8x and 12x. When I solve this term, I can write minus 4x and 2 plus 3 equal to plus 5 equal to 0. And here the value of x will be like that: x is equal to minus 5 over 4. Here the value of x is. Now I am multiplying this term. I am multiplying this cross multiplication of these two terms. So I can write into like that here. I am writing it into here: 4x 12x plus 3 equal to 8x minus 2. So I am shifting this term into here: 12x plus 3 minus 8x plus 2 equal to 0. When I solve this term, 4x plus 5 equal to 0, and here the value of x is minus 5 over 4. Here you can see that the value of both terms have same, the value of x is same. So the solution set will be like that. Solution set equal to minus 5 over 4. So this is a simple question. I hope you like the question. If you like the question, then you can subscribe my channel. Thank you.